Let's do a little unboxing of some 6x9 XSP692s and some VPRO65s, 6.5-inch speakers. This is a baffle rubber gasket thing to put in the doors to protect it from water. And I got me some RCA cables. I was going to get the Pro version of the 6x9s, but I don't know. I decided to mix it up. I don't know if that was a good idea or a bad idea, but we'll see. Oh, these look nice. Carbon fiber. This thing is heavy for a 6.5. Probably absolutely overkill, because starting off, these are just going to be powered by a head unit. All of these are. So, holy chungus. It says these will fit in my doors. I hope so. These things are beautiful. Woven tinsel leads. Anyway, quick unboxing video. Techmaster 170 signing out.